Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's numbers matching 1970 396 Chevelle. Pretty, man.
Pretty cool.
Really, really nice. So tell us a little bit about it.
Oh, it's a Turbo 400 automatic. It's a pearl white interior. It's a number matching car from Canada.
Yeah, killer.
With documentation.
That's why I love Canadian cars.
Yeah. It's a Canadian car, you can't go wrong. It's fully restored. Everything on the car has been changed as far as mechanical, and
Yeah.
you know, the motor was done by Merkel racing engines.
Oh, they're the best.
Yeah, I have dyno sheets on the motor.
What was the dyno at?
Dyno was at 360 horsepower.
Wow, that's pretty strong.
Yeah, it was supposed to 396, 350, but came out to 360 horsepower.
Wide ovals.
Wide ovals, original rubber tires, the original tires themselves from 1970. The wheels are date coded correct for the car. You know, everything on the car as far as numbers go is there.
It's correct for 1970.
Correct for 1970. There wasn't much missing from the car before I restored the car. So there was a few things that were missing that we had to gather up. You know, the normal stuff that they changed when in 1970 when they hot rodded it was intake manifold.
Yeah, and headers, normal stuff.
Yeah,
right?
headers like that. So the exhaust manifolds are number matching.
Cool.
The distributor's number matching. The intake manifold's number matching. The carburetor's number matching. You can actually take this car to a numbers show. And you should be 99% there.
Cool. I even noticed the seatbelts are correct. Date coded.
Date coded correct.
T3 headlights.
T3 headlights.
Very correct car. Very cool. Not one, not two, but four of them. They're not cheap, bro.
And if you notice, Canadian cars, they never painted the grille
in the center.
In the center. Canadian car, that was always a black grille.
Yeah.
There was never color matching. And
you know what else? The inner wells should be plastic.
Well, they were plastic inner wells. I have the old ones, but they were cracked.
Okay.
You could not find them again because it said Canada on them.
I know.
So you couldn't find them.
Okay. Very cool though.
Yeah.
Cool. Pop the hood. Let's check it out. What else denotes a Canadian car from looking at it?
The glass.
The glass. Yeah.
Glass is pretty much, you know, either USA or Canada. Okay. It's all new glass except for the windshield, and you know, it's all date coded correct. I have the original glass. If that goes with the car, people's interested with all the original glass.
Cool. Windshield's original though, right?
Windshield's original. Side glass I have.
Cool.
Back glass was I had, but it broke naturally. So
of course. Pretty loaded with options. Kind of vinyl roof, power steering, power brakes, air. Yeah. Guys, if you notice, it's got all the right clamps on there. Those are correct tower clamps. Yeah. All the correct GM hoses. Like you said, the carburetor is correct. I got a shot of that. You can check out online. Manifolds, correct. Pretty cool.
Those manifolds. Washer bottle. The original.
Wow.
Horns, original.
Cool. Painstaking.
Radiator's original.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
Fan, original.
Yeah, the fan's correct too.
All the pulleys are correct. All the pulleys are original from the car. They have date codes on them also. Water pump has a date code on it, which is the car. The damper wheel in the front has a code on it.
Sick.
For the motor. All the date codes are correct as far as production, when it was made. This is an early December car. Okay. There's the trim plate. You can take a picture of that trim plate there.
Yeah.
That tells you that it was made in Canada, and it also tells you when it was produced. And this was an early, I believe, December car. Second week in December. So this was done in '69, second week of December.
Yep.
So that means it was the early
production.
70 production car. And the way you can tell on an early production car is the hood's the structure of the hood.
Okay.
This hood is a GM Cowl Induction hood.
Yeah.
This car did not come with this Cowl Induction hood. It came with a hood without the flapper in it, which is original.
And working?
The early car, you see this piece here?
Yeah.
That was all the way full, all the way through. This is a later hood. That's why it's cut back like this.
Oh.
All right, so then you can tell,
And
first of all, it's a three-piece hood. There's one, there's two, and three.
Oh.
That's how you tell it's a GM hood. Then This on early production is all one piece, so this area is a little bit smaller. You know, which I have the hood. The original hood goes with it.
Cool.
Original hinges. You know, everything on the car is pretty much the car.
Sure.
All new wire harnesses.
Oh, that's nice.
I changed all the harnesses in the car.
Oh, you can see that right there.
Yeah.
Very nice. Nicely done too.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's fire it up.
Transmission's been done.
Turbo 400.
Turbo 400, 4-speed. 3-speed.
Very nice.
It has chambered exhaust. I didn't put mufflers on it. I went with the chamber.
Cool.
So
I
that's
like
a
it.
little upgrade for somebody to get the sound.
Yeah, it's a
No
very
mufflers
nice
hanging
sound.
up,
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Keeps it, you know, nice and tucked up there.
Yeah. You know, even the tail tips are numbered.
Even the tips?
Even the tips are numbered.
Yeah, they're the correct oval.
Yeah. Underneath, you can see the numbers underneath.
Got a killer sound.
Huh?
Killer sound.
Yeah, it sounds nice.
Sounds really nice.
Motor is all stock, the way it's supposed to be from GM.
Very cool.
You know, it's 10-to-1 compression.
Okay. Got all the right glass on here as well.
Yeah, if you look at the door tag, you'll see
Manufactured in Canada.
made in Canada.
Cool. It's got the pearl interior, the buckets,
Bucket seats, console, seat belts,
horseshoe shifter, all the seat belts.
horseshoe shifter, AM/FM stereo. I added that. It did not come with an AM/FM stereo. At least it said on the paperwork. So.
You guys can check the build sheet and everything out on the main website too, including the numbers, the motor numbers, etc. 74,426 miles.
The original miles on the car.
Very cool.
Correct steering pad. If you notice these here, a lot of people have the tight little grain.
Yeah.
This is correct for 70, only 1 year.
Really? I didn't know that.
1 year in 1970.
So the grain is much wider on this.
That's only 1970.
Wow. So every car I've seen is pretty
A lot of different
incorrect.
telltale stuff. You know?
That's pretty cool.
New glass, new weather stripping, new interior.
Ready to enjoy. Everything is done. That's great. Take it for a quick spin? Sure. All new felts. Man, he didn't cut any corners on this car.
No.
Man, I like that chambered exhaust. Little shift kit?
Has a little shift kit in it. Need a little bit.
A little bit. Sounds nice.
Got plenty of power.
second.
Just like it came out of the factory in 1970.
Exactly, love it. Thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's WeBeAutos.com. We do provide financing and shipping worldwide. So I hope to hear from you soon.